Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and change the oil on the BMW. Alright guys, well, enjoy the video. We're going to need this little deal right here to twist off the top of the oil filter housing. We're going to need a 3/8 ratchet to attach to that. We're going to need a 17mm socket to take off the drain plug. This is a man filter. This is a recommended filter for BMWs. Also here, like I said, we're gonna have the O-rings that go around the oil filter top, and then right here we're gonna have to replace this washer on the oil drain plug. It's recommended that you change that out every single oil change. And then finally we're gonna need a pick to take off the O-rings off of the top of the oil filter. With my 17mm socket, I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this bolt right here. Alright, for this, to take that off, we're gonna hook up our 3/8 socket to this giant, big socket-like tool in order to take this off right here. Here goes our oil filter. Put that right there, like that. Alright, so like I was showing you earlier, this little bag right here has O-rings that are going to replace the ones that are on here. So first we're going to take off this big one that's placed right here. Put that to the side, and then we're going to take off this little green one. That one to the side. Okay. Perfect. Now our small one. Cool. And then just pop our, what I always do is I always put a little bit of oil inside of here, so that way when the car starts, it doesn't start off with the dry filter. It can get circulating or start circulating again. Just a little bit there. Cool. Like to start it off by hand. Get it on there nice and tight. Clean any kind of oil that you have dropped. Last, we're going to install this washer down under the oil plug. and then we'll be ready to drop the car, put some new oil in it, and start it up. And we're going to check the oil level once the car gets warmed up. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and check my oil level. So I'm going to scroll down here and look for oil and enter there, and there you go. It's at a maximum where it's supposed to be, so we're good to go. Alright guys, oil level is good. There's no leaks under the car. I think this oil change was a success. So yeah, there you go folks. Don't be afraid to buy BMW because they scare you with the whole it costs a lot to maintain these cars. Not really, about maybe 80 bucks for parts and stuff like that is what it cost me, and a little bit of elbow grease, and that's it. It took me about an hour because I was recording, but it doesn't really take that long to change the oil on these cars. So yeah, there you have it guys. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video up. Catch me in the next one. Peace.